Well, guys, it's day 2 in Virginia. It looks like it's gonna rain this afternoon. No big deal. Got rain gear, plus I'm gonna be hanging out with my nephew, my mom, and my sister, his wife and children today. My nephew's wife and children, not my sister's wife and children. Anyway, I'm gonna spend another day here in Virginia hanging out with the family. I'm probably not gonna get anything on tape just because. And then I'm gonna head out tomorrow, but I'm gonna wait and have breakfast with them tomorrow morning. So I'm not going to get an early start, which means I'm probably going to make the return trip 2 days. And I'll just stop whenever I get tired. No sense in killing myself. 700 miles, I'll probably do 500 miles tomorrow and then another 200 and change the next day. So we'll see what the adventure holds, but stay tuned. Goodbye, Virginia. Next stop, Tennessee. Had a pretty fun and exciting trip with my nephew. The Marriott Vacation Club here in Williamsburg did not disappoint. Spent a lot of time yesterday out in the pool. We went out to have some Mexican food. Got to see my mom, my sister, my nephew, his wife, my great niece and great nephew. Big family gatherings can sometimes be chaotic, but you don't know how many of them that you're going to have. So I would implore you, if you have some family differences or what have you, either resolve them or just accept them. People are who they are. You can't change somebody. Shouldn't try. People will change themselves how they want. But at the end of the day, I don't think anybody ever wakes up in the mornings like, hey, how can I be a pain in the butt today? No one does that. No one wants to be a pain in the butt. No one, I mean, I know I'm a pain in the butt, but I don't mean to be. But not maliciously anyway. The important part is family's family. And we all love each other. So hopefully this trip back isn't too eventful and we get some nice views, so stay tuned. I just sneezed all over my microphone. Who does that?
I've been selling my soul, working all day, overtime hours, bullshit pay, so I sit out here and waste my life away. Drive back home and drown my troubles away. It's a damn shame what the world's gotten to. People like me, people like you. Wish I could just wake up and it not be true, but it is. Oh, it is. Living
when the next gas station is. And we have 28 miles to go before we're completely empty, so we're gonna go ahead and stop here. Two and a half miles. Maybe I should have stopped at the next gas station. If anything, it might be interesting. Stop at an off the beaten path gas station.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
I should have stopped at this exit, wouldn't you know it? Such is life. Or even this exit. Still made a good time at that last gas stop, even though it was 5 miles out of the way. And these are like right here. Stopped, filled up, checked the tire pressure, and got back on the bike. I felt like I was skating around a little bit earlier, like maybe the tires still had a little bit too much air in it, but I think it was a combination between ruts in the road and just big semis creating a lot of dirty wind drag. Either way, that was at speeds above 85, which is not, you know, part of the speed limit, I guess, unless you're in Texas or Arkansas or something like that. So for now, we'll keep her locked in right around 80 or so. boys and girls, that wraps it up for the video. Hope you enjoyed the trip to Virginia and back. If you did, think about hitting that subscribe button down below. Leave me a comment and I'll reply to you. Stick around for the next video where Grace and I take a trip down to Florida and back, this time to the Panama City Beach area. And until then, y'all be good to each other. We'll catch you later.